Tone it up. Understanding this versatile phrase in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in movies, music, or conversation: tone it up. This phrase can be quite versatile in English, and understanding how to use it can add a rich layer of nuance to your speaking and writing skills. So, let's get started and explore the different contexts where tone it up can be a game changer in communication. The phrase, tone it up, literally refers to the action of increasing the definition or tension in something. It's commonly used in the context of fitness and exercise, where toning up means working on your muscles to make them firmer and better defined. It suggests improvement and enhancement of physical fitness. Example in fitness: join our gym and tone it up for the summer. Everyday use: I've been working out to tone up before the wedding. Figuratively, tone it up can be used in a variety of situations, often to encourage someone to enhance or intensify their efforts in any pursuit, not just physical fitness. Example in work: we need to tone up our efforts to meet the project deadline. Example in study: if you want to pass your exams with flying colors, it's time to tone up your study routine. In social contexts, tone it up can take on yet another meaning. It can refer to livening up an atmosphere or event, usually by making it more energetic or exciting. Example at a party: this party is a bit dull. Let's tone it up with some music and dancing. Example in personal presentation: you've got the qualifications, but during the interview, you'll need to tone it up with some enthusiasm. While tone it up generally has positive connotations, it's important to note that in some cases, it might be misinterpreted. If someone is told to tone it up without context, it could be seen as a critique that they are not doing enough. Therefore, clarity and positivity are key when using this phrase. Avoid using tone it up interchangeably with tone it down, which has the opposite meaning, to make something less intense or lower in energy. Ensure you're clear on what action is being suggested. Correct use: the team's performance is good, but we need to tone it up for the championships. Incorrect use: he's really energetic, you should tone it up. What you mean here is probably tone it down if he's too energetic. I hope this video helps clear up any confusion about the phrase, tone it up, and you're now more confident in using it in different contexts. Remember, whether you're looking to enhance your fitness regime or just want to add some pep to a social gathering, knowing how to use tone it up effectively can be incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and keep on learning. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.